Shelly joined our office about 4 or 5 years ago, and she really was a little bit uncomfortable with her smile.
I actually work at Woodlawn Dental for Dr. Maximo, and I work in the front desk. So I greet people and check people out, and I see patients every day. I had very soft teeth and a lot of decay, cavities, missing teeth, and things like that. When I smiled, I always worried about which side I would show, and I always had to worry about what I would eat. I wouldn't smile as big as maybe some of the other girls in the office who, had a smile makeover done or had, better teeth or healthier teeth, but I was definitely more self-conscious about it. When people would come in with, their beautiful smiles or their healthy teeth, I didn't really want to show mine. I didn't want to smile the way that they did. So it definitely made it a little bit just different. I had worked here a year before I even got into the hygiene chair. I didn't want anyone to see what was going on in my mouth. A couple of the girls finally just put me on the schedule and took me back to the hygiene chair, and that's kind of where it all started.
So we kind of showed her what can be done. We have a way to show with smile simulation what the end result will be, and then we reverse engineer the smile with that. Shelly had the need for a combination of implants and restoring her natural teeth with crowns. Shelly's number one desire was that she wanted her smile to look good, and so with our process, you could have something that looks very beautiful. You could have something that functions really well. You could eat everything you want, eat anything you want, and also it's going to last a long time.
The first time I saw my smile, I still had my temporaries on, because you do have to wear your temporaries before you get your permanent crowns and bridges on. I even loved that. They were healthy looking, they were white, and I was very happy. I got my permanents on and still in the process. I still have a couple more steps to go, but I love my smile a lot better now.
So much more confidence, and she smiles from ear to ear every day with every patient.
Smiling more, not worrying about which side I looked at when smiling or talking to people, because I would hide a certain, my left side of my mouth, I would hide more than my right, and I don't have to worry about that anymore. So definitely, I like being with my family more in pictures and just talking more. I absolutely think this was a life-changing procedure.